Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn about Faraday's law. What is Faraday's law? Whenever there is a continuous change of magnetic flux linked with a closed coil, a current is generated in the coil. This is Faraday's law. Let us do an activity to observe Faraday's law. Materials needed: copper coil. Look here, you have to wind a copper wire like this. Next, a bar magnet and a multimeter. Look here, multimeter. Now connect the ends of the coil to a multimeter as shown here. Normally we would not expect any current in the circuit because there is no electromotive force in this circuit, that is no battery. Now if we push a bar magnet towards the coil with the north pole facing the coil, what happens? Let us see. Look here, arrange like this. Now push a bar magnet. Look here, look carefully. Now while the magnet is moving towards the coil, in the multimeter it is showing that a current has been set up in the coil. Look in the multimeter. Similarly, if we pull the magnet from the coil again, we see the current produced in the coil, but in the opposite direction. Here we are seeing negative symbol, that is minus, which means that a current is set up in the coil in the opposite direction. Similarly, if we use the end of the south pole of the magnet in this activity, then also a current is set up in the coil, but directions are exactly reversed. By this activity, we understand that the relative motion of the magnet and the coil set up a current in the coil. It makes no difference whether the magnet is moved towards the coil or the coil towards the magnet. Observe this. From this activity, Faraday's law, observe carefully. The current generated is called induced current and is set up by an induced electromotive force. This phenomenon of getting induced current is called electromagnetic induction. According to Faraday, the changes in the magnetic flux through the coil are responsible for the generation of current in the coil, and also the changes in the flux through the coil generate greater induced current or induced EMF. From this, we can say law of electromagnetic induction, that is, the induced EMF generated in a closed loop is equal to the rate of change of magnetic flux passing through it.